Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. In today's episode, I will be introducing you to 10 brand new LinerTex and HeatherTex fabrics perfect for your bag linings. As you can see right here, our solids are pretty much fully stocked. However, our LinerTex prints, which are one of our best sellers, are pretty low in stock right now, but we've got lots of new designs and restocks coming very soon. In today's Matchmaker Monday episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a few of my favorite matchmakers with our brand new shades of our HeatherTex and our LinerTex. So let's head on over to my studio so we can take a closer look. First up, I wanted to start off with our HeatherTex waterproof fabric in the color Shell Pink. This is a beautiful, soft shade of pink. The HeatherTex has a little bit of a sheen to it, and it has that heather texture. This is going to look excellent against our Lumi Croc in the color Sunset. Love that combination together, and you have to pair that with rose gold hardware. There's no other way to do it. I've also laid out here our cross-grain vinyl in the color Salmon Coral for a coordinating exterior. I do want to let you know a recent addition to our website was a fabric bundle that I did put together with these three fabrics. So again, the cross-grain and Salmon Coral, the Lumi Croc and Sunset, and I've swapped out that HeatherTex in the Shell Pink for our LinerTex monostripe in the color Salmon. So if you like this combination right here, you can grab that bundle. I'll also link that below today, and that also looks good with the rose gold hardware. So just wanted to point that out real quick. And for my thread recommendation, if you are sewing on top of the Sunset, I would recommend our Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread in the color Rose. My next matchup for the Shell Pink is going to be our recently added Dragon Scale in the color Orchid. Absolutely love this combination. I was really looking for something that would complement this as a lining fabric, and the Shell Pink is perfect because it pulls out those little undertones of the pink right here. And of course, you have to pair that with our Rosewood Mauve micro pebble texture faux leather, and we've got our Rosewood Mauve zipper tape here in the light gold. You got to go with light gold if you're using the Orchid because we've got those gold flecks right there. So I've got my light gold hardware there. And here we have our HeatherTex in Aqua. I have paired that up with our Mystic Owl printed vinyl, as well as our dark teal milled grain faux leather, dark teal zipper tape, dark teal Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread. You can go either way here with your nickel or your light gold. Still working with our Aqua HeatherTex, we've got here our Hoot and Hollow printed vinyl, one of our customer favorites, paired up with our teal Savannah suede, teal Tex 45 thread. I believe we have that in Tex 70 thread as well. And then we have our nickel and our light gold, as well as our teal zipper tape. Now I've just swapped out the Hoot and Hollow for our Painted Perch printed vinyl. This one I absolutely love. I am a fan of birds. I love bird photography. So if you love birds as much as I do, you could snag this roll up. It is on clearance for $12.99. We've got a limited supply available, and that complements the Aqua HeatherTex beautifully. I was only going to show you a couple colorways from each of the three collections, but I couldn't resist. I also wanted to share with you the HeatherTex in the Heather Gray color. This is a nice neutral that's going to pair with any of your black and gray exterior fabrics. So I've just laid a couple out here real quick for you. So this is our Heritage Houndstooth vinyl in the color Ink and Ivory. One of our best sellers is our printed vinyl in the Graphite Garden. We also stock that in LinerTex. If either of those are sold out when you're watching this video, don't worry. This is a staple. We will always bring back our Graphite Garden. And lastly, we have our Lumi scales in the color Obsidian paired up with the Heather Gray. And with any of these combinations, you could choose any black or gray, Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread, as I have here. And then for your coordinating exteriors in black and gray, we've got our Harrison suede in black. We have our Savannah suede in graphite. And our fan favorite is our milled grain faux leather in black. Your best hardware finishes are going to be your cool tone hardware in nickel and gunmetal for all three of these. Next up, we are going to review the three new colors in our LinerTex Pinstripe collection, which has a nice rib texture to it. First up, we have our Mushroom. Here is our Petal Pink and we have our peacock. And I did want to show you what our warm taupe looked like next to the mushroom color, so you guys have a comparison on that. There's definitely a difference there. Our warm taupe and our baby blue is one of our 2 top selling colors in this particular line. First up, we'll do the mushroom colored pinstripe. I've got it paired up here with our Cowboy Country printed vinyl. And I have found the perfect lining match for our Library Retreat printed vinyl. So for any of those book lovers in your life, you got to get this combo right here. And since you guys love our books so much, we also have this in Rustic Reads, which is a great match. Our Disco Grid vinyl in the color Champagne also looks nice with our mushroom pinstripe. This one's an exciting matchmaker as it's been challenging to find the right lining to go with our Snow Leopard vinyl, but now we have a great combination here with the mushroom. And y'all check out this combination with our recently released Harbor Check plaid and the mushroom. Love that combination. Very earthy, warm tones here. So how is your shopping list going? Are you finding some matchmakers that you want to add to your shopping cart? If I am talking a little bit fast, it is just because I've got a lot to cover. I really wanted to show you all the different combinations with these new linings. Next up, we are going to do our petal pink in the pinstripe. So let me go find some matches that are going to pair up perfectly with this beautiful shade of pink. Pretty in pink, here we go. Here's our petal pink, paired up with our Dusty Floral printed vinyl. And check out this color match with our Dusty Plaid. And how perfect is this petal pink paired up with our Chestnut Plaid? Love that combination. I think that one is my top favorite. For our cosmetic vinyls, we have our Girly Glam. We're getting total feminine vibes right here. And our original Glam Jam, which is one of our #1 best-selling vinyls. Love this combination. That pink matches perfectly with the background. Finishing off the pinstripe collection with our color Peacock, we have our Painted Planks printed vinyl here. This is one of the best combinations. I love this one so much. There's so many colors in this. Makes such a beautiful bag. And how can you not love this combination as well? This is our Weathered Blocks printed vinyl. And here's a look at our Misty Weave printed vinyl, another great combination. Now let's wrap up this matchmaker episode with our final collection, which is our LinerTex grid. And here is our 4 new colors: Natural Linen, Butterscotch, Vintage Rose, and Dove Gray. First up is our natural, and the natural is going to look good with a lot of the same vinyls that we showed you with the mushroom color. They're very similar. The natural is a little bit lighter in color. There's a little bit more warmth, I would say, in the natural versus the mushroom being a little bit more neutral. So going through these once more, we've got our Rustic Reads, our Library Retreat, our Harbor Check Plaid. Wow, I even like this matchup even better than the mushroom pinstripe. So again, this is the natural linen paired up with our Snow Leopard, and that one I would call a perfect match. And here's a look at our Dusty Plaid printed vinyl with the natural linen. Moving on to the most beautiful shade of yellow, we have our Butterscotch grid, and we have our Harvest Sun printed vinyl, as well as our milled grain faux leather in the color olive. This deserves to be a bag. I want someone to make this up and share it in our Facebook group because I simply don't have the time to sew up all of these beautiful fabrics, and I want to see this bag completed. For our animal print lovers, we have our Painterly Leopard, which looks really nice against the Butterscotch. And lastly, we have one of our recent releases, and this is our Dragon Scale in the color Ember, paired up with the Butterscotch. Here's our Vintage Rose LinerTex grid, and I'm super excited for this one as well. Again, this is our Orchid Dragon. Those are beautiful together, paired up with our Rosewood Mauve Micro Pebble Texture faux leather. Now we're going to revisit some of the same printed vinyls I showed you earlier. So here's our Hoot and Hollow printed vinyl, perfect with the pink tones here in the leaves. Here is our Dusty Floral printed vinyl. This one is a beautiful combo. And once again, we've got our Chestnut Plaid, which also works with the Vintage Rose. Our last matchup is our Dove Gray LinerTex grid, paired up with our Dusty Plaid. And we've got lots of colors in this printed vinyl, so I've thrown together some coordinating solids that you could use. This is our Savannah Suede in gray, Savannah Suede in rose. We've got our cross grain vinyl in oyster. And just like our HeatherTex Heather Gray, the Dove Gray is going to work good with any bag that has black or gray in it. So here I have my Urban Spots in the color Silver Smoke. I have brought back our Graphite Garden in the printed vinyl, as well as our Lumi Scale vinyl in Obsidian. And I might as well show you the Heritage Hound Houndstooth vinyl in Ink and Ivory. I wanted to close out today's show with one final new release that hit our website last week, which is our Merglow Mermaid Tide vinyl, which I brought in to coordinate well with our Merglow Mermaid Embossed vinyl, which is our #1 selling vinyl at the moment. I have placed next to it our LinerTex grid in the color Sapphire. Love how that deep blue plays off with those deep blues here in the Mermaid vinyl. And I can swap that out for you real quick and show you what our Royal Blue waterproof canvas looks like, which I think is going to be a beautiful lining as well. Today's Matchmaker Monday episode got a little out of hand because I had a lot of fun pulling those exterior fabrics for you. I did not intend to show you so much, but there were so many beautiful fabrics that coordinated with our new liners that you can find in our LinerTex grid, LinerTex pinstripe, and our HeatherTex collections. I will put links in the description box below so you can shop anything that was featured in today's video. I want to thank everyone for joining me today and spending a little part of your Monday with me. It means the world to me. I will see you in the next Matchmaker Monday episode.